Hello and welcome to this Liferay and M-Files integration demo video. We are Neurons based in Geneva, Switzerland. We specialize in content management systems, and we have developed a Liferay portal that allows you to easily publish documents coming from M-Files. So let's start off in Liferay. We have here a demo portal in which we would like to publish project-related documents coming from M-Files. So we'll start off with an empty page here, and then we go to M-Files. This is a demo M-Files platform. Basically, the portlet allows you to choose any view that is defined in M-Files and publish that view. So we've defined here in M-Files a certain number of views. The views can be personal or common views. In this case, for the example, we would like to publish this view here, this project view. In the project view, we have all our different projects. Documents are regrouped by class, orders. So basically, we would like to publish these documents in the portal. Okay, let's go back to our demo Liferay platform. We start off with an empty page. So we're going to add our portlet. Portlet, there you go. Basically empty, we have to set its preferences. First define the M-File server URL, the user with which we want to connect. There's different authentication choices. Sorry about that. Different authentication choices. Portlet Liferay user or SSO, which is currently being experimented and tested on. In this case, we'll choose just a basic portlet authentication in which it's directly this user and that is connecting in the password. So let's connect. Boom, there you connect. Once we're connected, we now have the choice to which vault we want to connect. So I'll choose our demo vault. Once we've connected to the vault, we have all the list of views that are defined in the vault. So here I choose the project view. That's the one we want to publish. Save the settings. Full page. And there you go. We have all our projects that are now listed in our portal. As we are on Liferay, we can easily change and make this title a little bit nicer. And so users now have the ability to navigate within that view as if they would be directly in M-Files. Notice here the breadcrumb that allows users to come back and forth within this navigation. Okay, so once we've defined that, let's see some other interesting things that can be done with this portlet. In this case here, we're displaying the standard M-Files columns. Let's say we want to add some columns. So we go back to Liferay. Here I'm in the view already. Let's see, I'm going to add here the last modified by columns to see who was the last person that modified this document. In the case of orders, it could be important. Let's see, I want to put that up front here. The size is not that interesting, but I still want to keep it, so I'll put it at the end. There we go. Back to Liferay. Refresh the page. And we see that now we have the last modified by column that appears, as well as the order of the columns that has changed. So what happens if we add a new document? Let's go back to Liferay, back to the order. Let's say this one, just to make it quick, I'll just make a copy of it. Give it another name. I'll check it in immediately. There we go. If I come back to Liferay, refresh that page, and you see that the new document appears. So it's really a direct connection. There's no batch processing, there's no synchronization, there's no cron that's running whatsoever. It's really a direct connection, so information are directly published once they're in Liferay. All columns here can be used for sorting, default being the name. The portlet manages single files as well as multi-file documents. In this case we have a multi-file document, and then obviously once you click on a document you can directly have access to the content of that document, PDF, Word, whatever it may be. Okay, so that's a little bit how the administration of these of this portlet works. Now let's see a few other concrete examples. Before I was as an admin user, now I'm here as a standard portal user. In this example here, we can provide the user with dashboards that will regroup all the necessary information coming from M-files. So these are all M-file portlets, so you can have multiple M-file portlets per page. In this case, we have a first portlet here that's displaying the documents that are currently checked out to the user, so basically the documents he's currently working on, the documents and assignments he has. So this can be documents to be validated or documents that has been assigned to him for review. Here we have listed system views, favorites, documents that are recently modified, and documents that have been recently viewed. We can leverage Liferay's customization capabilities, which we've done here. So basically, a user can change the order of these portlets, put the recently modified in front, and say remove this one because for him it doesn't make sense, he doesn't need it. So by doing this, we really leverage standard Liferay capabilities and mix them with information coming from M-files. Another example here is the home page. In this case, the home page is aggregating information coming from M-files, so documents that are being modified currently or documents that have been assigned to the user. And here on the right, news and events, whatever it may be, coming from Liferay directly. So really this idea of portal where we're aggregating content coming from different sources. A few other examples with regard to human resources. We can display job opening related views. In this case, we created a job opening class in Liferay, in M-files, and we're displaying that view in the portal to promote certain open positions within the company. We've done similar for the company phone number list, email, contact information for the employees. So again, this column here is information coming from M-files. It's a specific view in M-files that we set up. And also the ability to provide personal documents to the employees. In this case here, we have work contracts and pay slips so that users can easily have access to this type of information. Again, as these documents are already in files, what we're doing here is publishing them through the Liferay portal. So again, thank you for your time for this short demo. I hope you enjoyed it and that it was instructive. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions or you would need further information or like a more in-depth demo. You'll find our contact information here or by clicking on the links below. So thank you again for your time and hope to hear from you soon.